Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. In today's video, we are going to be doing the first video of my spring cleaning series. So it is that time of year. I love this time of year because I can just deep clean and reset, refresh my home, and that is what we're going to be doing. So stay tuned for all of the videos that I have coming out for some spring cleaning motivation. And we're just starting off the video with doing a quick clean in the kitchen. I need my space clean before I get into some of the tasks that I do when I spring clean. So I decided to go ahead and upgrade my soap setup here by my sink. So I went ahead and went on to Amazon and ordered a soap dispenser kit. Also got labels with it. So I'm going to add one for dish soap and one for hand soap. And then I also ordered a little pack of funnels. So I'm able to pour the soap in without making a huge mess, and I can also use them for other purposes as well.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't.
So I also want to mention that today's video is in collaboration with my friend Whitney P. I have been watching her channel for the past couple of years now. I think she is so cool. I love her personality and I love her YouTube videos. She makes cleaning and organizing and mom life content. So I know you guys are going to love her. I would love if you will go check out her channel. Let her know I sent you. Her content is just so good, and she does all of this with 3 littles. So it's super inspiring and very motivating. I know you guys will enjoy her, so go show her some love. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start some of my deep cleaning tasks. The first are cleaning my cabinets. I did go ahead and just make a big bucket of hot water with some dish soap in there, and I'm just using my cloth and going to wipe the outsides of all of my cabinets.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I sucked with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna
So while I'm down here, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that bottom part of the cabinet. It was super dirty and had a lot of buildup, so I just went along with my cloth and scrubbed that clean.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite things to do. We are going to be pulling out the oven and getting back there and cleaning all of the foods that have dropped on the floor through the cracks and that are sticking in the side of my oven. It is so gross. So this is the reminder, if anyone needs it, to add this task on your spring cleaning list. If you're here from Whitney's channel and this is your first time watching one of my videos, thank you for stopping by. My name is Lindsay and I've been doing YouTube for years. I think it's been like 8 years now, but I have been creating cleaning and organizing and sharing home decor. I do have 2 kids. I have one in college and then I have a 7-year-old. She's about to be 8. So if I'm not sharing cleaning and organizing and decorating, I am doing Sunday reset videos where I'll share more lifestyle stuff, routines. I'm also into fitness and health, so I'll share a little bit of that. I do do work part-time as a licensed esthetician. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to DM me over on Instagram. I would love to help in any way I can. If you do get motivation from my video today, consider subscribing. I would love to have you over here with us as well. I'm using my Bissell Steam Shot for a lot of things today, and we're gonna go ahead and loosen up all of the burn marks in there and all of that stuff inside the oven. So we're using that. It just kind of loosens everything up. It makes it a lot easier for me to clean out. So I didn't mention this before, but I'm actually breaking up my spring cleaning from the different spaces throughout my house. So today we're just focusing on the kitchen area, kitchen, dining room area. And then the next video, part 2, we're going to do my living room, my office, and the downstairs bathroom, and then just kind of work our way up. I don't want to overwhelm myself. I don't want you guys to overwhelm yourselves. So by breaking it up throughout the weeks or week, whatever your style is or what you have time for, I feel it just makes things go a lot smoother. It's a lot easier, and you're not adding too much more to your plate. So note to self, we're going to be using this Steam Shot forever. It made it a lot easier to clean the oven racks by using that first before I scrub it down. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and take off the curtains. I love washing my curtains. I think it freshens up the space so much. Not only does it smell good because you're washing them, but it gets all of the dirt and things that collect on the bottom of your curtains. So next we're going to go ahead and work on the windows. I wanted to get them all cleaned from the inside, and then I'm also going to do the tracking area on the windows and then the sliding glass door, and head outside and do some window washing outside. So let me know if you guys have started your spring cleaning, or when do you start? I know some people start in April, so let me know if you've started or if you haven't. and what you're working on. So I was really excited to use the steam shot out here. It made a huge difference. When my husband looked through these glass windows when I was done, he was so shocked. Everything was clear and it looked so good, even looked brighter in our kitchen. So we had a lot of dust and a lot of buildup on the lower part of the window. That's where the screen is. So when it's really windy here, a lot of dirt and a lot of dust just kind of sticks onto the screen and onto that bottom window there. So I'm so happy I used this outside, and then I went ahead and used the glass cleaner as well, and it just chef's kiss.
Once again, your phone says that you're busy.
So I don't have an after shot of the tracking right here because a fly flew into the window. I ended up closing the window and just working outside and using that glass cleaner outside just to finish the job. So I did end up cleaning this. It is all clean, just like my sliding glass door. I just don't have a clip to share it, which I always hate when that happens because I might get like the before, I might get the after, but I don't get the before and the after. So bear with me because I know you guys and myself, we love a good before and after, but sometimes stuff happens. So I always work from top to bottom, and we are heading down below, and I'm using this wall cleaner by, I forget who it's by. Oh yeah, it's by Zepp. Anyway, I'm using the wall cleaner. It is kind of strong, but it works so good, you guys, and it just makes things a little bit easier, but definitely keep your children away, your pets away until that smell kind of goes down a little bit. It's not that bad, but you know what I'm saying. So anyway, I'm just spraying that on the walls, the baseboards, and we're just hitting every corner in this area.
reason to throw my game, not really why I came. Oh, do me a favor, pour me another glass, pour hearts that never last. Oh, take me, I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention.
So we're gonna go ahead and put the curtains back up. It is so refreshing. Let me know if you feel the same way. I'm happy that they're not dingy and they're more bright white, and they smell good. They make the space smell good. So don't forget to check out Whitney P. She's amazing. I will have her links down below in the description box. Comment down below and let me know how you guys are doing. What is something exciting going on in your life right now? Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed the video, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.